everybody, this is Navika Pathak and today we are going to learn addition by some simple tricks. So now let's start. So what is addition? Combining two or more numbers is called addition. And addition, the number which we are called adding. And the answer of addition is called as sum. So now let's learn the trick code. For example, let's take 6 plus 24. Now let's make them some easy numbers to add. Let's see -4 from 24 is going to be 20. And every plus 54 into 56, it is going to be 6. And when we add 6 and 2, it is 8. And we just have to add 1 to it. And the answer is 8. So now let's learn the trick to it. For example, let's take 549 and 782. So in this trick, you have to start the addition from the left side. But normally, you start the addition from the right side. So 5 plus 7 is 12. Then 4 plus 8 is 12. And then 9 plus 2 is 11. So you have to write in fractal. Then you have to add all of these numbers. 1, 3, and 1. So the answer is 1, 3, 3, 1. So now let's take the example, that is 2. For example, let's say 483 plus 967 plus 817. So in this also we have to start from the left side. So 9 plus 4 plus 9 is 30, and 30 plus 8 is 21. And 8 plus 6 is 14, and 14 plus 7 is 21. Here 7 plus 2 is 9, and 9 plus 9 is 8. Full 8, 2, 3, and again 10. So this is your answer. So now let's learn the trick 3. For example, let's take 562 plus 740. So in this trick, you have to write the numbers and expand it for. Plus 60 plus 2 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. So we have to add 500 plus 700. It equals to 1200. Then 60 plus 40 is equals to 100. And 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So we have to add these all numbers. So 1200 plus 100 equals to 3000. And 3000 plus 5 equals to 3005. So this is our answer. So all for today. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Bye.